So I made the decision, like, I'm gonna be super successful, super rich, and super, free, and I'm gonna be extraordinary. That was a decision. But then practically what I did was I started visualizing my dream life. So I started imagining myself in my mind that I already was living my dream life. I also wrote down on a piece of paper some of my goals that I had back then. And I also, for example, I tried to make it fun. So, for example, I took my phone and I went online to different websites where you can either rent or buy private jets or yachts and cars. And I pretended in my mind that I was on the market to buy and rent these different things. And I was doing it to the point where, I was going into very, very detailed things. Like I started thinking about what year should I buy, how big should I buy. I started to, ask these questions about like, how much does it cost to hire a captain for my yacht? How much does it cost to charter a jet from France to Sweden? Like I went into very, very, very detailed descriptions of like these things because I thought that's what a successful person would do. Before renting or buying something,